sides of the polarity. So on the information sharing side, the real advances are coming in this world where we understand that you need to decouple your applications and your data. And so moving away from these big, long development cycle IT systems to, separating your data, making it exposed, and being able to do things like mash it up over Google Earth and create a new application quickly.
Right.
So whether you look at maritime domain awareness, looking at, the commercial vessels coming into our harbors, you look at the joint IED defeat work in Iraq and Afghanistan to find roadside bombs and the people who plant them, or more recently a partnership that we've done with the Department of Justice to be able to do physical access security, so the gate guard can actually get a yes no as a data service about, is this visitor somebody I should let on the base or not. So these things can happen really quickly, and we're shown over and over again that you don't have to spend years building an IT capability if you can separate the data and then use these sort of service-oriented approaches.
Yeah.
All right. So then on the security side of it, as has been mentioned several times here, one of the foundations to it is being able to do identity management right. And so in the Department of Defense, we have 3.5 million people that use our smart card, our common access card solution, and we use it for everything from physical access to an installation, to cryptographic logon to your network, to secure access to websites, to being able to do digital signature so that you can get rid of paper-based processes. As you continue on, this is the place where you run the risk of acronym soup because it's the government, right? But there's a number of federal initiatives like that. HSPD 12, Homeland Security Presidential Directive 12, putting that smart card into the hands of every federal agency. These secure versions of operating systems used to be the federal desktop core configuration, right? If you're going to use an operating system, Apple, Linux, Microsoft, you ought to use a secure configuration of it. We ought to do data at rest encryption, so we have a contract vehicle in place for every federal, state, and local government in the country to be able to do data at rest encryption software buying, and reducing the number of internet access points so you can monitor what comes in and out of your organizations. And these are some of the things that are happening to help build this more secure future.
Wow.